Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today we have a electric baby nasal aspirator, and we have our grandson who's got a little bit of a stuffy nose, so we're gonna try it out. So, in the directions there is a lot of information. Make sure that you go through and you read everything. There's a couple different tips and there's explanations on how everything goes. So, this is the nasal aspirator. I'm glad you're excited about this process. And for his age group, we're going to actually be using this silicone tip. It's got a little bit of an angle on it, just so you know. And that goes in here like that. Easy to put on. This part goes in like this. So that's kind of like the collection cup. And then this goes on, and then it locks into place like that. And then it is rechargeable. So you have your USB port in the back. That's a USB-C. It does have a recharging cable with it. Doesn't have a recharging block, but you can use like a cell phone charger or your laptop, your desktop, any of that. So to turn it on, you are basically just holding in that power button and it'll turn on and it will automatically start. This will go to different speeds. This button plays music, low, and then high. And then this turns on a little bit of a light show. Okay? So let's get him ready. Ready? Come here. Come on.
Here, sit on grandfather's lap.
Okay, and this is the fun part. Okay, ready? Okay. I know, that's tough. Come on. Ready? Okay, so anyway, we'll do a little bit better job off camera, but that's a general idea how to do that, and we go from there. Anyway, Brian from Garage Wall and Aiden, thanks for watching and be safe out there.